How to find Cash App account and routing number. First, a quick heads up. Make sure you've already ordered your free Cash App debit card. The app actually hides these banking details until that card is on its way to you. Once that's done, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Mine shows a $5 balance, but if yours is empty, you'll just see a little bank icon there instead. Go ahead and tap that spot. Now we're on the inner money dashboard. Look right near the top. See those partial numbers under the main balance? That's your preview. But to unlock the full view, just click this little arrow on the right. And there we go. Under the Account Details header, your complete routing number and full account number are laid out perfectly. Instead of writing them down and risking a typo, just tap these handy little copy buttons on the right to save them straight to your clipboard. Now that you have your routing numbers, you're ready to set up your paycheck. Click right here to watch my next video on exactly how to set up direct deposit on Cash App, and I'll see you there.